sound has an almost magical way of heightening experiences. So, as Japanese tourists have turned to domestic travel due to the pandemic, Spotify Japan launched Sound Tour, a group of specially curated experiences reacquainting Japanese with local sounds and culture in a fresh, modern way. The gateway to each experience was a Spotify code. When seen through a mobile device, the Spotify app recognized the unique ID, instantly triggering audio content. On Kanazawa's traditional Chayagai Street, evening strollers were met with a code of crafted lanterns, inviting them to hear the kind of beauty that would complement what they were seeing. Handcrafted by local artisans, the lantern code designs were patterned after techniques passed down over the centuries. In Hoshimamachi, where cherry blossoms are viewed annually by thousands, a contemporary ikebana artist created a code offering a modern musical arrangement in harmony with its surroundings, reflecting sakura's meaningful, ephemeral season. And in the seaside town of Noto, where the specialty is squid, a local fisherman created a Spotify code like no other, triggering music reflecting songs of the sea.